How Amazon Web Services became the brain of the Internet. This comes after Amazon Web Services, AWS, announced that the technical issue that started this morning and prevented access to many applications, especially in the US and Europe, has been resolved and most AWS services are operating normally. Almost everything you do online, from watching Netflix, scrolling Instagram, to booking an Uber, runs through one invisible backbone, Amazon Web Services, or simply AWS. Do not forget to hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, and drop your comments and notification bell so you never miss our next upload. Behind the sleek apps on your phone lies a digital empire quietly powering over a third of the Internet. But how did Amazon, once an online bookstore, become the world's largest cloud company, and what does its future mean for the rest of us? In 2006, Amazon launched AWS almost by accident. The company had built massive computing systems to handle its own e-commerce traffic. Then they realized other businesses could rent that same computing power instead of building their own. That idea became revolutionary. Cloud computing, renting data storage, and servers over the Internet. No hardware, no maintenance. Just scale up or down with a click. Today, Amazon Web Services runs millions of servers in more than 30 regions worldwide, supporting startups, governments, and even military networks. From entertainment to finance, Amazon Web Services is everywhere. Netflix streams your shows using AWS servers. Spotify delivers music to hundreds of millions via AWS. NASA stores Mars mission data on AWS. Even Airbnb, Twitch, Zoom, Disney+, and Coinbase rely on it. It's a hidden engine of the Internet, delivering computing power, artificial intelligence tools, machine learning services, and even quantum computing access. AWS is Amazon's most profitable arm. While Amazon.com runs on razor-thin margins, Amazon Web Services generates over $25 billion in yearly profit, accounting for more than 60% of Amazon's total operating income. It charges companies for what they use: storage, computing power, and data transfer. The more people stream, shop, or use AI tools, the more money Amazon Web Services earns. But the sky isn't always clear in the cloud. Amazon Web Services faces growing competition from Microsoft Azure and Google Cloud. It also faces security and privacy concerns, from data leaks to government surveillance fears. Energy use is another major challenge. Running massive data centers consumes enormous electricity, raising questions about carbon footprints and sustainability. And with AI exploding, companies and nations are questioning how much control one corporation should have over global data. The future of Amazon Web Services is tied to the future of technology itself. It's investing heavily in AI infrastructure, space-based internet, and edge computing, bringing the cloud closer to users. By 2030, experts predict Amazon Web Services could become the backbone of global AI systems, powering autonomous vehicles, smart cities, and even personalized healthcare models. If that happens, Amazon won't just sell products or store data. It could quietly shape the digital future of civilization. From books to the cloud, Amazon built an empire that powers the modern web. The question now is, how much of our world are we willing to let Amazon Web Services control? If you enjoyed this breakdown, hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, and drop your comments. And don't forget to turn on the notification bell so you never miss our next upload.